Thank you so much to Tailgate New York for sponsoring today's video. I just can't wait to review their bag that they have sent me. In my opinion, it's just perfect for everyone, especially teen girls who have a lot of essentials to bring in their bag, and it's just sometimes annoying to have everything fitting in a small bag. So that's why I recommend to you guys this bag right here. You can actually bring them everywhere, every time, and let it be your best friend for the day. And not to forget to mention you guys that they are also having a Labor Day sale up to 70% off, which is mind blown. But if you guys miss their Labor Day sale, this actively illustrates you guys to use my code up to TB Aireen 30 to 30% off. Okay guys, back to the video. Okay guys, so I am ready to go to Genting for a road trip. So I do my makeup, as you can see. I have my backpack here. Inside. I'm excited to go for like the Genting road trip that I'll be going. So yeah, it is 10:19 a.m. now. I'm just wearing like a really comfortable outfit, inspired by Pinterest, obviously. But there's hair. There's hair on me. So guys, do you guys like my makeup? Rate 1 to 10. How much do you love this makeup? Because I actually read your comment on my latest video on my YouTube channel, and you guys say like you guys like obsessed with my makeup. Some people ask for like tutorials, but I just don't really have the time. So yeah. Did you following? They not pergi park. No. I love my outfit for today. It's like, I know it's really comfortable. Hopefully though, I'm eating curry puff right now. Bapak cantik aku ni. Is this Aireen Fadzli that I don't remember? I was just like laying under my bed feeling like super suck yesterday. Oh, there's sunlight. I honestly want coffee. I'm craving for coffee. Oh my god, Dunkin' Donuts coffee with whipped cream. So good. It's so good to be true. Can't take my eyes off of you.
Hi guys.
Nona?
Guys, saya Chiro kaya guys. Hi guys.
Look, who's following? Are you following? You're following? Are you excited? Are you excited to see the park? She's full, you know. Uchu full lah. Oh, my mask. Oh, my mask. Mama, bawakan mask Aireen dekat cushion cream color ni. Black mask. Let's go. Oh, duduk. Duduk. Pa? Ambil dia jap boleh tak? middle of people. Where are you? Hey, quite a lot of people here though. It's so like aesthetic here. Like it's so pretty with lights and everything, right? I've never been here before, so it's like super cool. Outfit kayak apa? Kita tak pernah pergi sini kan? Tak benar? Ya ke? Ordering right now. Come on, what do you want to eat? What do you want to eat? Here? I see myself. I'm so pretty today. I'm slaying today. But I don't know where we're going now, so we're gonna go eat. I haven't makan yet. Yeah, we're gonna just chill a bit. I love the vibe, like it's really cool. And it's just, I don't know, it's just the vibe is different. I feel like we're on a holiday, but we're not. Eventually, soon. I think. Hello. Hello, Dodo. I didn't go out. Tengok ni macam mana lah, I tak post. So korang tanya. Wow. The portion is big. Is it good? Sedap. Sedap. Nak try? No.
Sos apa ni? Ya, sos. Ikan saya sos dia. Tapi sos ini. So macam mana nak buat?
Just tuang je lah. This is mine. What is this?
Okay.
It's like meat rice. So good. Papa, what did you order? Papa, can we write that right there? Roller coaster. Is it? Jom, is it? Naik sekali, jom. That right, the scariest ride if I can. Kemah lah, jom lah Kemah. Naik to the roller coaster. I think we're gonna go ride. We have finished eating, so good. Papa ordered cotton candy. I wanna ride a roller coaster. It's been a long way since I naik roller coaster. Where is it? Oh, that one. Alah, beratur. Okay guys, so right now we are at Genting Premier Outlet. I want to buy things for Mama. Mama, what do you want, Ma? I brought my credit card for you. So we're at Genting Premier Outlet. Yeah, I'm going to belanja Mama because I didn't get anything for Mama's birthday. What do you want to shop? I want to buy jeans. I want to buy for Mama and me, obviously. The weather is so good. It's like cold, but it's hot. You know, it's like weird weather, but it's good. It's good. It's positive.
I see typo.
Huh?
I see typo.
Mana? Oh yeah. The typo here is quite big. I like this weather. It is macam panas, tapi tak panas sangat. So cute. No. So cute. Can I get one of these? I want this. What the hell? Ada dua. Yeah.
Mama, mine's 30 and 2 tadi tu je. 2.
One tote bag for my class. This one is so cute. No, look at that one. Yay! We got the shopping. I honestly want Five Guys. I want the milkshake, but I got my stuff. I'm gonna do a haul later on. But yeah, we're finding my people right now. We're finding my dad and my sister. Kema tak shopping Kema. Kema wanted like a skirt, but it was like ripped at the behind. Can. Guys, I'm just waiting for Nana. Nana and Kema went to Levi's. I bought something. I'm so excited to be showing you guys what I bought. I'm actually feeling the main character moment for saat bila kat rumah nak keluar. Bila kat luar nak balik rumah. Oh, there's Mamzi. Can I see Mama? There, Mama is lost. Mother, where are you? Hello, Mama, where are you? Emma, shut up. Kenapa kayu lah? Going back right now, I don't know, but I want milkshake so bad. You guys already know I want milkshake. Five Guys milkshake. Oh, sedap gills. Sedap gills. Stop looking at me. Emma jahat, saya tak nak belanja awak. Emma, saya claim saya I have like acrophobia, so I'm kind of like scared of heights, but it's okay. It's good. Hey guys, so I am back home. I literally just got back home like 5 seconds ago. Before I end this vlog, I'm going to do a haul what I bought from Cotton On. Okay guys, it was like really like raining. It is still raining right now, which is crazy. It's been raining the whole entire day, which is, oh my gosh. Just now I wanted to go on like roller coaster rides, but it was like really long lines. We have to queue for the tickets and just end up not going, which is sad. And then we went to genting outlet shopping mall, but then it was really crowded. But then I shopped a bit, like at least I shopped. But yeah, it was quite fun, you know. I want to ride the roller coaster so bad, but I just can't. So it's just like that one day I just don't want to complain about anything, just like have fun. If I don't get the thing that I want, okay, it's okay. Guys, I swear to God, my butt cheek is like wet. So basically I bought pants. They're like promotion. If you buy 3 you get like 30 ringgit, 15 ringgit, which is great. So I bought 3 of these like shorts. Really useful for me because if I wear like a transparent pants or what, so I can like wear this at home or whatever. It's really comfortable. And then I also bought this like white t-shirt because I've been stealing kakaks. I'm really like a basic girl. I mean like kita bersyukur like that. It's like actually when you go out you want to go back, but when you're at home you want to go out. I really want to pee so bad. Like I actually want to pee, so I'm holding on right now. But yeah, I'm gonna go shower at the moment. Let's go shower. I'm gonna remove my makeup. I'm gonna vacuum my room too. Probably tonight. I don't know, I'm just too tired. Maybe tonight. Should I do it tonight? We all left you at home. We all left you at home. Who poop? You poop or not? You poop? You poop or Alex poop? You poop ke? Poop or not? Ha? You poop ke? You poop ke? Ow! Kau gigit saya punya kaki. Hey guys, so I am back here on my bed. Oh, I feel so freaking good. I swear I have like, my back hurts so bad from like sitting in the car for too long. It's like I love going out, but it's just kind of feel remus for some reason. I don't know if it's just me or not. I really want to vacuum my room, but I just got lazy and procrastinate. So I'm like, you know, I'm just gonna do it tomorrow. But then if it's tomorrow, I'll do it another day. Let's go. Procrastination. Today was like, honestly, I have a different vibe of vlogging, because like, you know, like whenever I vlog, I have to like get the right footage, perfect shot, whatever. But today I just feel like, you know what, I am still gonna vlog, but I'll vlog whenever I want, whenever I want. I'll pick up the camera and vlog. No, I don't really like look at the footage too much and just like record the moments, you know, all the fun stuff. That's like my biggest pet peeves. I'll just like record something and look back to it. If it's not nice, I'll reshoot it. It's just kind of stressful. But today I decided to not do it. What I learned in life is that sometimes, well, you can plan something, you can obviously plan a lot of things, but sometimes you just gotta go with the flow, whatever result that you'll get. You know, sometimes you just can plan, but it didn't turn out great. It's just kind of, you know, lanta, you know, mampus ah. Thank you guys so much for watching this whole vlog. The shout out really goes to Krish on YouTube. Thank you so much for supporting me, for always putting so much love to me and supporting me, and just, you know, just put out a lot of positivity out there. I love you so much. You know who you are. You know who always comment on my videos, and how I read all of them. I read every single comment, I don't know, DMs, whatever, because I appreciate you guys. And yeah, for all you guys supporting me, and thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next YouTube video next time. Ciao, peace.